Welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido, and on this episode, we're going to talk boondocking security. So stick around. So one of the biggest fears folks seem to have about boondocking is personal security out in the wilderness. We get asked all the time, and it seems to be mostly from folks who have never boondocked before, or maybe have only done it only a few times. They worry about the personal safety, they worry about the security of their gear and their trailer, and I'm here to tell you, we don't worry about it at all. As a matter of fact, I get a little more concerned about stuff disappearing, or things happening, weird things with other folks if I'm in a campground or an RV park. When I'm out in the middle of nowhere, out in the wilderness, quite frankly, I feel extremely secure. And I don't feel that I need to have somebody right next to me to serve as a security blanket. And I'm here to explain to you what steps we take just to keep an eye on our stuff and keep an eye on ourselves. So when we leave camp to go explore for the day, stuff like, our chairs and our table and our other outdoor furniture, we don't do anything with that. It just sits there. It's never had anything walk away under its own power yet. Everything is always there when we come back at the end of the day exploring. Now, a couple of more valuable items, we will put a lock and cable on them just to discourage the casual thief. Things like our solar panels. That's $400 or $500 we've got in the solar panels. Things like our generator. We all know what generators cost, and it's all too easy to drive by in a pickup truck and conveniently throw it in the bed of the truck and drive away. We'll also do it with our satellite dish, but that's really about it. We'll use, like I said, bicycle cables and padlocks just to secure it to the trailers to discourage the casual thief. Now, is that going to stop anybody who's really determined to take it? No, it's not. But it's going to discourage the person who's looking for a crime of opportunity. Now, as far as personal safety goes, yeah, sure, we lock the door for the trailer when we go to sleep at night. But, in decades of tent camping, I didn't have a lock on the tent door. There was nothing I could do about that. I've never had some crazed axe murderer show up in the middle of the night. Personal safety and the security of our gear, it kind of goes to the fact that a criminal's not going to wander around the middle of nowhere looking for someone camping to be an easy mark. They're going to go looking in urban areas where there's a large concentration of people and a large concentration of stuff, and they'll commit their criminal acts there. Now, one thing I do want to talk to you about is your trailer key. I almost guarantee you have one of these on your ring of trailer keys. It's called a 751 key. And it's called a 751 key because printed right on it is CH751. Now, I hate to break this to you, but every other RV owner has a 751 key. So you know that door to your basement where you store all your stuff? Anybody who has this key can also open yours. That's why we've replaced our basement door locks with combination locks from a company called CombiCamp. You can set your own combination and conveniently open the door while keeping folks with the CH751 key out. You also don't need to have your keys on you to be able to unlock or lock the basement doors. They're quick and easy to install by virtually anyone with a wrench, and we love ours. We'll put a link in the description down below to these door locks on Amazon if you'd like to upgrade your basement door locks. So anybody who's been watching our channel, Grand Adventure, for a while knows that our preference is for boondocking. We'll boondock anytime we can over staying in an RV park or a campground. And don't let a fear for your own personal safety keep you from boondocking. It is wonderful to get out here and have absolutely nobody else around and have all the space to enjoy our public lands. If you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down there in the corner and ring that notification bell. If you found this information helpful or even reassuring to you, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. Also down below, you'll find the comment section. We'd love to hear your experiences and your feedback on your personal security while boondocking. We air new outdoor adventure videos each and every Wednesday, so we'd be honored if you shared Grand Adventure with your friends and family, as well as on social media. And until next week, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. Get out there and enjoy it. We'll see you next week.